Hi there. We're going to walk through the steps to retrieve events from the Windows event log. So, what are Windows event logs? Windows event logs are the primary mechanism for recording system, security, and application events on Microsoft Windows operating systems. They are crucial for troubleshooting, performance monitoring, and especially security auditing. Windows event logs are stored in binary EVTX files or older EVT files for Windows XP or 2003 and earlier. So, the NXLog agent can connect to the Windows event log via the event log API. This solution provides a simple, secure, reliable, and efficient way of collecting logs from Windows event log. So the most common way to collect Windows event logs would be through the use of one of two modules, the IMMS event log or the IMMS Vista log. An alternative way that the agent can collect the Windows event logs would be via directly reading the EVTX files. So, without further ado, let's go over to my agent list. I'm using the NXLog Platform 1.6.0. So I start off on the Windows, click Start, and type Event Viewer. Open it up. We right-click the Windows logs on the left. Click on Create Custom View. You can see the different options and filters you can choose from. Whatever channels you prefer, choice is yours. You can also indicate any preferred event levels. And if you've got a preferred selection of event IDs, you can specify them as well. Then you switch over to the XML tab and copy out the query list you need. So you can see here, right after adding the query list to this notepad, I'm also adding these forward slashes at the end. I need these to ensure compliance with the config editor's syntax. Next, I copy it out, switch back to the platform, click Configurations, add a new configuration. I'll name it Win Event Log. Then let's add the input and output modules we'll be using. So I'm sending the events directly to my platform here. So that's the NXLog Platform output. Then my input. I search Windows events. Be sure to select the Windows 2008 and above unless you're actually using lower versions. Next, I'm just gonna check on the output details to be sure that all the fields are correct. If not, I may have to make some changes. And here is where it gets interesting. This is where I'm going to add our nice little query list, which we got from our event viewer. I'm going to paste it here using the query directive on the IMMS Vista log multi-block. Yep. Then I switch back to the config editor. And as you can see, it was correctly accepted with the forward slashes. Nice. Please note that if you don't add the forward slashes, you're sure to get some red error flags. So this is only for when using the query directive. There is also the query XML directive, which allows you to just copy and drop the query list inside the query XML block. So I go on and save the config. Now I'm gonna fire up my agent and let it connect to the platform so I can push this template to it. Yeah, you might have to give it a second or two for the agent to pop up, but surely it does, as far as the correct agent manager host information is included in the manage.conf file. So you can see my agents finally showing up here. So I'm going to go ahead with the enroll with a configuration option. So I select my config and enroll it on the agent. So it's going to enroll the agent and push the config at the same time. So once the agent comes back up, it's going to be pushing events from the get-go. Oh, well, there it is. Let me try and check on the view logs of the agent. And yeah, it shows it's connected to the platform currently, and it's sending logs to my platform. So I will just switch over to the log search, and oh, here we go. We have logs. Check timestamp, 9:51. Yep, currently 9:52 a.m. And so we have our logs being collected. Thanks for watching. And I hope this information will be useful to you on your NXLog journey.